It's now possible to bring cell and gene therapies to market with speed and precision. Azenta Life Sciences enables you to transcend expectations for CGT development. Throughout the development cycle, there are common challenges that arise, such as scaling up. Rigor and reproducibility are essential as therapies advance toward approval. Protocol ambiguity. Inadequately defined protocols for emerging and existing therapies can lead to roadblocks. Sample and inventory management. Complexities in cold chain logistics and storage complicate clinical trials and manufacturing. The right partner can help clear the path for your breakthrough therapies. Azenta Life Sciences has best-in-class solutions to mitigate risk and accelerate development. Automated solutions reliably protect the integrity of critical materials and enable you to scale up with better data management and tracking. Customers rely on our proprietary genomics protocols to sequence and synthesize challenging DNA molecules for CGT research. Our internationally certified staff and facilities specialize in cGMP-controlled cold chain logistics to simplify storage and management. With deep application experience, we'll guide you through the challenges of advanced therapy development. We'll support the rigor of your program all the way from target discovery through scale-out. Our portfolio includes next-generation sequencing, synthetic DNA solutions, Sanger sequencing, automated storage and cold chain products, and sample and material storage solutions. The shortest route to a breakthrough is rarely a straight line. Azenta Life Sciences provides the technology, infrastructure, and expertise to navigate CGT development and transcend expectations.